Do you like that, Charlie? Keep going. Oh, you gonna call someone? Say bye-bye. Need a little push. Keep going. Come on. Uh-oh. Stuck? Woohoo! Say, we love tag sales. Good job, Daddy. Do you want to do in the driveway, Charlie?
Driveway. Come on. Let's go to the driveway.